Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a server tag in Discord. So once you are on your Discord, you'll have to go to your server. On the server, you will need basically to go enable the community feature if you don't have it enabled. Go to your server here, drop down menu, and click on server settings. Once you do so, on this left panel, you'll have to scroll down and you'll find the enable community if you don't have it enabled. For me, as an example, I have community overview instead because I already have it enabled, as you can see here. If you didn't enable this before, you'll find here community enabled. Just go and click on it and follow the prompts to sub. Once you're done, you will get access to discovery tools and tags. But not every server. So, for example, once you have access to it, your server is now a community server, and you'll have access to additional tools that can help you moderate, run, and grow your server. So, to get discovery tools, you will have to apply for it. To apply for it, you'll need to meet some requirements. As an example, you'll need to have more than 1,000 members. It should not be too young. It should be, the server should been created for more than 8 weeks. And every example moderator and server owner should have the 2FA enabled. And of course, no bad words, safe environments should meet as well. Once you're done with that and you have the discovery tools are enabled, you will be able, as an example, to find the discovery option on this left panel. So you can, from there, go and click on discovery, and on discovery, you'll find tags. So you'll be able to add up to 5 keywords that describe your server, like gaming, study, coding, and these tags will help people find your server in discovery, server discovery. So once you add your keyword example in the tags, you can just go and click on save changes. So if I change anything, you'll find here save changes option. Just go and click on the save changes. And that's it. Your server is now tagged and easy to find, depending, of course, on the tag or keyword that you entered. And then you should be good to go. Unfortunately, I'll not be able to show you exactly where to click, but you'll just have to do it once you have discovery enabled. So you'll need to have discoverable. And if you don't have these requirements, you'll not be able to do it. So once you apply, or once you have these requirements, you'll be able to go and make your server discoverable, and you'll have discovery tools. And there you'll be able to click on tags and simply choose the tag that you want to have for your Discord server. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.